Hey everyone, John here from JohnVSTech. If you're looking for a camera light for your vlog or your small studio, you might want to look into this camera light. Coming right up, this is the L116T from Viltrox. Before we start, remember to press the like button and then subscribe. That way you can help me grow this channel. Without further ado, let's get to it. Let's start off with the adapter that I bought with the LED light. This product is from Ugreen. Great company. I bought some cables from them before and they're working up until now. This is a 12 volts adapter running at 2000 milliamps. Enegon, I don't know how to pronounce this brand. This is the battery pack required if you want to go mobile. And this is the Viltrox L116T. Now it's time to open up this bad boys. We've got the 12 volts adapter first. The charger for the battery, cable, and 2 batteries. I just wish it came with a wall mount. And this is the standard mount for the tripod and the LED light. Let's test if it has any charge. Yep, there it goes. Alright, let's do some tests. So the 12 volt adapter goes right just about here. Nope, not there, in here. The mount goes at the bottom. Just screw right in to secure it. For the charger, you can either use a USB-C or a mini USB. But out of the box, you only get the mini USB. Now this is how you insert the batteries into the charger. Now let's take a look at this closely. At the lower left, you have the power switch. Now at the right side, you'll see the indicator for the brightness. Using the wheel, you can rotate it to change the brightness level. The highest is at 100% and the lowest level is at 20%. Pressing the wheel toggles it to color temperature. Lowest being the warmest and highest to cold. That's from yellowish to bluish. Then here you'll see the battery level. Now once you turn it up, it will still remember the previous settings. Yeah, there you go. This is the Viltrox L116T. I recommend getting your hands into one of these. They're very good for the price. Hi, thank you very much for watching. If you like what you see, press that like button and then subscribe. That way you can help me grow this channel. And hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on my future videos. Until then, take care. I'll see you in the next one. Take it easy.